friends?
Seems like it. I don't think it's a squirrel. There's something a little like... Oh, they're on the tree line. There's something that feels sad about
He's gonna be right by this guy.
the deer with like a Ross dress for us behind him. It's like pretty and sad in a weird way. I feel like deer shouldn't be this close to Culvers.
Okay, we're starting to doubt whether these are actually beavers. I have no idea. Maybe they're just some kind of water gopher. Did I have a nice date
I had a great day evening with you. You know my rules about recording while driving.
What are they?
That is bad, and I should definitely not be doing it.
Oh.
But I had a great time with you. It was a lovely date, and thank you very, very much. You are, as always, the best.
Love you.
I love you. This is cute.
We couldn't go to the place we wanted to go today because it was all booked out, but we just did a quick Google and found this heron rookery that wasn't too far from home. So far we've not seen any herons, just geese and ducks.
And some swan.
Yeah, where was that? We gotta...
It was all the way over there. Let's try and get it on the other side. I'm trying to catch the frog. Do you even still see it?
No, we went like right here. I see his leg.
A frog is gonna jump out right into your face and you're gonna freak out. Stop messing with the frog, bro.
I see him. Here. Oh, I can see his body.
Yeah, he's right there.
Can I pick him up?
No. Leave the poor frog alone.
He's right here.
I got a really good picture.
That's so cool. I don't know what kind of frog this is. We don't really see like any frogs like ever. Are those black ducks? Babe, I don't know what I'm seeing here. I need you to get us set up. Babe, I'm so
Yeah, I don't know what those
excited.
are.
I don't know what those are.
You just went full up in the water.
Did you see that alligator?
No, I did not see no alligator. Where's an alligator? Is it just off screen?
Yeah. This is how babies are made. I started this kitchen chemistry module online, and my first assignment was to make some guacamole and some salsa. I actually forgot to take pictures of my completed salsa yesterday, but this is my serving for today. This is my first time making fresh salsa. This is honestly just so unbelievably cute. I'm making my second recipe for my kitchen chemistry class. We're doing death by chocolate cookies. So got the oven preheating and got my ingredients sorted out here. Okay, here's what they look like about to go into the oven, so we'll see how they come out. Oops, I don't think I actually showed the final product coming out of the oven because Mom came up to try a cookie. This was the first batch. They seemed a little too well done on the bottom, so I did like an extra 3 minutes on these because I thought with the oven variation they might not be as good. So then the second batch I did pull at like the exact right time.